we have completed the lesson. So, and like a farmer grows food for all the people, and a teacher, he teaches to all the children of the neighborhood, society, community, and we have to be thankful to the farmer. We have to be thankful to the teachers. Tailor also, we have to be thankful to the tailor master. He or she stitches many clothes for all the people, and so we have to be thankful. Engineer constructs our roads and bridges, and we have to again be thankful to engineer. He construct roads, and we walk in the roads. We use the roads. Big vehicles runs in the roads. It carries different types of things for the people. Yes, and engineer also construct bridges, repairs the bridges. So just like that, there are many other people doing different work, like scientists is there, doctors are there, and carpenter is there according to our book, and there is a people works in office also, and they do different types of work which is helpful for the people as well. And there is a mechanic also in our neighborhood, and mechanics, he repairs the vehicles like motorbike,
Mommy.
car, vans. And he uses different types of tools. Again, there is a doctor. And so like this, there are many people in our neighborhood doing different types of work. We say occupation. And are you hearing my voice? If you are hearing my voice, then show me your thumb. If you are hearing my voice, show me a thumb. Sanskar, if you are hearing me, show me your thumb. Are you all hearing me? Priyansi, Barsha, Yojan, Osis. So good children. So now concentrate in your book. Pratham, Vijay, concentrate in your book. So we have finished the lesson. The lesson is very easy. The main thing is that you have to read the lesson as well. You have to read the lesson at home as a homework. Then you will understand more. Don't play too much. You have to read the lesson, do your homework, be good at home, obey your parents. And so, again, I am repeating the question, C number. All of you, those who have written, no need to write. जो गरिसकेको छ सी नम्बर डी नम्बर र एक्सरसाइज 3 हिजो उनीहरूले गर्न पर्दैन आज यो होमवर्क। तर जो जसको हिजो छुटेको थियो ढिलो आएको कारण जो जसको छुटेको थियो हिजो उनीहरूले यो गर्न पर्छ होमवर्क। अनि जसको हिजो जसले यो गरिसकेको छ उनीहरूलाई मैले फेरि आज अर्को होमवर्क दिन्छु। बी रेडी? Okay. What tools does a carpenter use? अब तिमीहरूले pencil निकाला and go in page number 9. Some sound is coming. I am being disturbed. Don't create sound. Some sound is coming. So, question number C, what tools does a carpenter use? We will go in page number 9. Clear? Then just see, Shivam is a carpenter. In this paragraph, we will get the answer. Line 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth line. Fourth line, he uses, all of you underline, those who have not done, open the bracket, close the bracket, and write there C number. then you will understand it and you will do it later on. So he uses several tools. No, I need to say several. He uses tools like planes, saw, screwdriver, drill, hammers, measuring tape, pencil, pliers, frame squares, etc. But I will not tell you all to write all these. Only 5 you will write. Only 5. He uses tools like plane, saw, screwdriver, hammers, measuring tape, anything from here you can choose. तिमीहरूले यहाँबाट 5 वटा रोजेर लेख तर खास गरी के लेख्ने हो त कार्पेन्टरले के युज गर्छन् उसको टुल्स के हो सॉ screwdriver, hammers, measuring tape, pencil, pliers. 5 you choose and write. Those who have done yesterday, no need to do. खाली ध्यान दिएर सुन्ने हो तिमीहरूले यो पढ्न पर्छ आज तिमीहरूले यो घोक्न पर्छ आज स्पेलिङहरु पनि तिमीहरूले घोक्न पर्छ त्यही भएर यहाँबाट रोजेर अहिले भर्खरै मैले भनेको 5 वटा तिमीहरूले अन्डरलाइन गर्ने पेन्सिलले बुकमा मसित सँगसँगै अनि तिमीहरूको आन्सर तिमीहरूले भेट्छौ पछि तिमीहरूले होमवर्कमा त्यही लेख्ने हो अनि फेरि त्यही पढ्ने हो मैले भोलि तिमीहरूलाई यो सोध्छु and this is answer of C number. I have done this. Then let us go to D number. Why are the occupational tools important? Occupational tools, why it is important? हामीले काम गर्दाखेरि युज गर्ने टुल्सहरु किन त्यो इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ त्यो नभइकिन हामीले गर्न सक्दैनौं र किन त्यो चाहिन्छ yes it is very important त्यो हामीलाई जरुरी छ त्यो आवश्यक छ त्यो चाहिन्छ नत्र पनि के हुन्छ हाम्रो काम राम्रो हुँदैन समयमा हामीले सिद्धाउन सक्दैनौं मेहनत धेरै गर्न पर्छ यो हो क्वेशनले भनेको अब मैले इंग्लिशमा तिमीलाई फेरि बुझाउँछु why are the occupational tools important so take your pencil in the hand those who have not done yesterday those who have not done yesterday take your pencil in the hand take your pencil in the hand so we will go in page number 10 page number 10 yes and question number D again you see all of you put your eyes in question number D. The occupational tools are important. From there, your answer starts from the question. The occupational tools, right there, ARE, important. Tools are important को बीच में हमले R पनि थप्न पर्छ ARE. Spelling पुरै यही छ. अनि तिमीहरुले चाहिँ करेक्ट स्पेलिङ हेरेर लेख्ने हो आँखा खोलेर राम्रोसँग हेरेर लेख्ने The occupational tools are important. Then let us go in 10 number page last paragraph second line last paragraph ko second line right there tools you caught with your pencil and write there TO to make our work easier and faster. To make our work easier and faster. To make our work easier and faster, full stop. This is one sentence. And after that, they help to complete our work on time. This is next sentence. There are two sentences in question number D. This is the answer. Are you all clear? Are you all clear? I hope you have put a bracket in this answer. Open the bracket to make our tools easier and faster. There you open the bracket and on time you close the bracket. This is the answer of D number. And write there D with your pencil. This is the answer of D. You can do it very easily by yourself. So you write this answer without making any spelling mistake. Write it clearly and look in the book properly and do. While doing your homework, don't look here and there. Concentrate in your work and do. This is very easy. You can do it by yourself. No need to ask your parents where is the answer. अहिले तिमीले ध्यान दियौ भने तिमीले आफै गर्न सक्छौ. यो त सजिलो छ नि. The occupational tools are important from the question our answer start. Open the bracket in the question. The occupational tools are important. ARE are important to make our work easier and faster. One answer, full stop, and they help to complete our work on time. Second answer. So your answer of D number is completed. Very simple sentence it is here. So now we will go to exercise 3. See the question, all of you? See the question, all of you? So, अब यो क्वेशनले के भनेको छ, make a list of tools or equipments used in your household works. Used in your household works. हामीले घरमा हाम्रो घरमा चाहिने चीजहरु के हो? Occupational tools भनेको छैन यहाँ, tools मात्रै भनेको छ. Tools र equipments भनेको छ. So put your mind in the book, listen to me properly, then you will understand. Then हाम्रो घरमा चाहिने चीजहरु, tools, like we cut vegetables with what? With our fingers? With our hand? With our hand? No. We cut vegetables by the help of knife. By using knife. Knife is one occupational, knife is one tools used in our household work. Another one, like axe. We cut wood. Axe. So let us turn our page to 9. Page number 9, let us turn our page. Then there you see Rita's father is a farmer. Suppose your father is a farmer. And what are the tools that it is in your house? You used by you in your house? These tools. Farmer, what does he use? Farmer use plow, digging fork, and spades. Axe also we can add. And these things are available in our house. These things are found in our house. We keep it for our use. So we can write here, first we have written knife, scissors, then we can add plow. By the help of plow, we dig our soil. We dig the soil. So plow, digging fork, that is also used for digging the soil, and spade. Spade is also used for digging the soil. Yes or no? We grow crops, we grow vegetables, we plant flowers, we plant fruits. So all these things we use, we need. So they are found in our house. They are available with us. We keep all these tools. And after that, we go to carpenter. And from here also some of the tools we have in our house. We use it like screwdriver. We say pechkas to tighten the screw. Then hammers. When we have to put a nail in the wall, we use hammer, dang, 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 we do. And the nail goes inside the wall and we hang our calendar there. Yes or no? So hammer is also used. A measuring tape also we keep at home. Measuring tape. We need these things. Then we have another one from here, pliers. Pliers also we use at home. So now after that, we use, let us go in Manisha works in an office. There also we have got some tools which is in our house. We use it for our daily use, like computer, telephone, printer. We have punching machine also we have, stapler also we have. We use all these things. Photocopy also we, if we need, no need to go in a shop to make a photocopy. We need photocopy of many things, of our certificates and many other things. So these things we have in our house. Then let us turn to page number 10, mechanic. So from here also we can take out some tools which we use in our house, like spanner, wrencher, hammer we have already done. Spanner, wrencher, tire levers, wheel turning stand, all these things we keep at home. We usually keep at home. धेरै जसो यी सब कुराहरू, यी सब चिजहरू, औजारहरू हामीहरूको घरमा हुन्छ, हामीले राखेका हुन्छौँ घरमा, हामीलाई चाहिन्छ, यो कुनै न कुनै बेला हामीलाई चाहिन्छ, यी सबै कुरा हाम्रो घर हुन्छ। त्यही भएर अब यो लेसन भित्र भएका यी मैले अहिले भर्खरै भने यो सबै तिमीहरूले यो एक्सरसाइज नम्बर 3 मा गर्ने हो। संस्कार, sit down Sanskar, listen. So some students are not listening properly. Again, I will say one more time, make a list of tools or equipment used in your household works. We will not write all. We will write only 6. We will write only 6. Take out your pencil in the hand and I will show you in the book. Answer is already in the book, 9 number page. If Rita's father is a farmer, first paragraph. Which line? 1, 2, 3, 4 line. You underline plow, digging fork, underline digging fork. This is the answer. Then underline spades. This is another answer. Then let us go down to Nita is the tailor master. So there is some tools that we use at home. We can see measuring tape, underline. This is your answer. Scissors, underline. Needles, thread. And after that, you go to Shivam is a carpenter. There also we can see. We have saws to cut the wood to make table, chair, saws, screwdriver, hammers, pliers. We use this thing for many purposes, for many use. And after that, we can go in computer, telephone. In Manisha works in an office, computer, telephone, printer, photocopy, and punching machine, stapler. अब यी सबै अन्डरलाइन गरेको सबै लेख्न पर्दैन, तिमीहरूले रोजेर 6 वटा मात्रै दिने एन्सरमा। तर हामीले जान्न त पर्यो नि के चीजहरू हाम्रो घरमा छ भन्ने कुरा। अब हामी मेकानिकमा जानी, त्यहाँ छ के छ, त्यहाँ स्प्यानर छ, रेन्चर छ। अब हामी त्यसपछि नाइफ पनि छ हाम्रो घरमा, हैन? एक्स पनि छ, बन्चरो छ कि छैन? सिक्कल पनि छ, घाँस काट्ने। सो हामीले 6 वटा तिमीहरुको बाहिरबाट लेखेउ पनि दिमागले थाहा भएको घरमा हेरेर त्यो लेखे पनि भयो, किताबको लेखे पनि भयो। 6 वटा मात्रै लेख्ने, 6 only. And are you all listening to me? Monica, are you listening? Priyanshi, listening? Barsha, are you listening to me? Yes. Utsav, are you listening? Have you understood? Srija, have you understood? Bibisha, Pratham, can you listen to me? Can you listen to me? So here, Britina, have you understood? Can you listen to me? And Naitik Poon, can you listen to me? And Kushal, Lisa, all of you have listened? Are you hearing me? Okay. Yes. Then, so those who were late yesterday, जो हिजो ढिलो आएको थियो, जसले बुझेको थिएन, उनीहरूले आज फेरि CD र एक्सरसाइज 3 को मैले जुन एन्सर अहिले भर्खरै बताए त्यो तिमीहरूले लेख्नी, राम्रो ह्यान्ड राइटिङ गरेर बुझ्नी गरेर लेख्नी, स्पेलिङहरु एउटा पनि नछुटाइकिन लेख्नी, सबै बुकमा छ, ध्यान दिएर लेख्नी, आफूले जानेको त आफै गर्ने हो नि। अब जसले हिजो यो लेखेर भ्याइसकेको छ नि, उनीहरूले आज यो CD र एक्सरसाइज 3 को पढ्ने हो, होमवर्क टु रिड। अब तिमीहरूले यो घरमा पढ्ने हो, स्पेलिङ सित लर्न गर्ने हो, अनि भोलि मैले तिमीहरूलाई यो सबै कुराहरू फेरि सोध्छु मैले, यो याद गर्नुपर्छ, यो तिमीहरूको होमवर्क टु रिड हो। जसले लेखेको थिएन त्यसले होमवर्क टु राइट, होमवर्क टु डु, जसले सबै लेखेर भ्याइसकेको छ होमवर्क टु रिड। अब तिमीहरूले पेन्सिल निकाला, and let us go in page number 8. सबैजनाले जसले सुनेको थियो सुनेको थिएन सबैजनाले पेन्सिल निकालेर पेज नम्बर 8 मा जाने हामी। अन्डरलाइन गर्ने, अब जुन जुन शब्दहरू गाह्रो ठुलो शब्द छ नि अन्डरलाइन गर्ने हो अहिले, अनि यो पनि पढ्ने हो। ओके, मेजर पेज नम्बर 8 सेकेन्ड लाइन, मेजर occupations underline गर, लाइन तान पेन्सिलले, पेनले होइन। existing लाई पनि underline, then farming, teaching, tailoring, engineering। अब हामी तलको लाइनमा जाने हैन, तलको लाइनमा जान भन्दा अगाडि हामी फेरि कहाँ जान्छौं, सेकेन्ड लाइनमा। त्यहाँ सस्टेन पनि छ, सस्टेन सेकेन्ड लाइन, रेड इंक सस्टेन, लाइवलीहुड कुसुम, लाइवलीहुड अंडरलाइन। देन we go to various tools, successful, then let us go to page number 9. Page number 9, all of you children, page number 9. Plow. Then after plow, we go to digging fork, spades, sacks, down sacks in blue ink, sacks. Have you found sacks? Then you go to bamboo. Then you go to Namlo. Are you all following me, children? Can you follow me? Then sickle, Sickle is also in first paragraph. Sickle. Sometimes they cut grasses for their cattle by using sickle. घाँस काट्ने के भन्छौँ हामीले हैँसिया भन्छौँ कि. So now let us go to tailor master. That stitches. She stitches. She stitches. She stitches. Then after stitches, we go to measuring tape. Have you seen measuring tape? Measuring tape. Then sieving machine is also there. Sieving machine. After that, scissors. 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 Then after scissors, needles, threads, buttons. Then after that, we go to carpenter. Shivam is a carpenter. Carpenter. Underline carpenter. Then wooden furniture. Wooden furniture. And doors, windows, tables, chairs, drawers, then racks, then planes, saw, screwdriver, drills, hammers, pliers, frame squares. Then Manisha, he works in an office, no? Then you see there reports, underline reports, documents, activities, computer, telephone, and printer, photocopy, fax machine, and punching machine, stapler. Stapler. Have you underlined all these words? Stapler. Again, documents, reports, computer, telephone, printer, photocopy, fax machine, punching machine, stapler. So these underlined words you have to read. यो अन्डरलाइन गरेको वर्डहरु तिमीहरुले पढ्न पर्छ. यो सबै एन्सरमा हुन्छ, एन्सरमा आउँछ यो वर्डहरु. हामीले यो पढ्यौं भने एन्सर हामीले सजिलैसित लेख्न सक्छौं, घोक्न सक्छौं. अनि हामीले एक्जाम दिँदाखेरि पनि हामीलाई गाह्रो हुँदैन, हामी राम्रोसँग पास हुन्छौं. So 8 number page and 9 number page only. अब यो पनि तिमीले पढ्नी हो, लेख्नी हैन. फेरि तिमीले लेखेर चाहिँ फोटो खिचेर पठाउनी हैन, तिमीले पढ्नी हो. यो बुकबाट पढ्नी सबै स्टुडेन्टले. जो हिजो आको थिएन उले पनि, जो हिजो आको थियो उसले पनि, सबैले. अनि मैले क्वेशन आन्सर पढ्न पनि दिएको छु. सी डी र एक्सरसाइज 3, सी डी र एक्सरसाइज 3 पढ्न पनि दिएको छु. अब जो हिजो ढिलो आयो, मैले राम्रोसँग सुनिन, हामीले पढाको जसले भन्यो नि, उनीहरुले लेख्न पनि पर्यो, पढ्न पनि पर्यो. उनीहरुको लागि धेरै भयो. अनि तिमीहरु ढिलो गरेर आउनी हैन. 11 बजे ठिक्क तिमीहरुले कम्प्युटर खोलेर रेडी हुने. मैले यताबाट लिंक पठाउने बित्तिकै तिमीहरु सबै रेडी हुने. अनि 11 बज्न भन्दा 5 मिनेट अगाडि किताब, पेन्सिल, कपी लिएर तयार भएर अगाडि बस्ने. यस, बुझ्यौ नि सबैले. अनि 11 बजे भन्दा ढिलो गर्यो भने तिमीहरुको छुट्छ. छुट्यो भने मैले घरि रिपिट गर्दिन, अरु स्टुडेन्टहरुलाई प्रब्लम हुन्छ. फेरि त्यही भएर सबै जना टाइममा आउने. Have you all understood? All understood? मैले भनेको सुन्यौ कि नाइ? सबै जनाले बुझ्यौ कि नाइ? बुझ्यौ हैन? Mayumi Thapa, understood. Avas, Srija, and Ashish Giri, understood or not Ashish Giri? Ashish Giri ले कहाँ हेरिरहेछ? मैले भनेको सुन्यो कि नै आशिष गिरीले? यो पढ्ने पनि हो, लेख्ने पनि हो। अनि भोलि 11 बजे ठ्याक्क रेडी भएर आउने, ढिलो नगर्नी। Kusum Buddha Thokia also, I think you have understood. Kusum, are you hearing me? Yes. So now all of you, अब तिमीहरू चाहिँ होमवर्कमा यो सबै गर्ने हो, ज्ञानी भएर गर्ने हो, बदमासी हुने हैन, प्यारेन्ट्सलाई दुःख दिने हैन, आफ्नो काम सकेसम्म आफै गर्ने हो। तिमीहरूलाई मैले एन्सर सबै बताइदिएको छु, आफै लेख्ने हो भने राम्रोसँग बुझिन्छ, पढ्न इन्ट्रेस्ट दिन पर्छ। Samragi also, I'm talking to you. बुझेछ कि नै समरागीले? Yes. अब राम्रोसँग बसेर यो होमवर्कहरु गर्ने, पढ्ने, स्पेलिङहरु पढ्ने, अनि तिमीले फोटो पठाउँदाखेरि मलाई तिमीले राम्रोसँग खिचेर पठाउने, स्पेलिङहरु एउटा मिस्टेक नगर्नी, अनि आफ्नो नाम लेख्नी। आधा काटेर आएको छ त्यस्तो नगर, राम्रोसँग खिच, पहिला राम्रोसँग लेख, त्यसपछि फोटो राम्रोसँग खिचेर पठाउने, नआत्तिकिन। तर पढ्ने पनि हो आजको होमवर्कमा, थाहा छ कि नै? सबैजना ज्ञानी भएर घरमा बस्ने, होमवर्क लेख्ने, होमवर्क पढ्ने, दिएको कुराहरु सबै पढ्ने, यो स्पेलिङ अन्डरलाइन गरेको स्पेलिङ्सहरु पनि पढ्ने, ज्ञानी हुने all of you। अनि राम्रोसँग बस्ने, बाहिर खेल्न नजाने है। ओके, so all of you have a good day। अब क्लास सिद्धिन थालेको छ, अनि सेम टाइममा भोलि आउने तिमीहरू 11 बजे सबैजना सँगै आयो भने चाहिँ हाम्रो लेसन अगाडि बढ्छ, फटाफट हुन्छ। ओके, अब यो होमवर्क गर्ने, पढ्ने, मैले सबैलाई यहाँबाट हेरिरहेको छु। Okay, have a good day, stay safe at home। अनि केही नबुझेको छ भने भोलि मलाई फेरि भन्नी। केही नबुझेको छ? तिमीहरूले केही नबुझेको छ? यस। फेयर कपीमा लेख्ने, फेयर कपीमा।